One of the questions I often get from teams is, how do I take these large, huge numbers with lots of zeros and make them simple and readable for the audience? I've coached 302 Haskane teams to over 180 podium finishes. Today, we're going to use Excel custom number formatting to solve a problem that most teams miss. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series, turning numbers into compelling insights. Let's make your financial slides clean and professional. Long numbers with many zeros make slides look cluttered and force the audience to read instead of listening to you. The goal is to simplify, turn 90,000 into 90K or 9,900,000 into 9.90 million. This keeps the focus on your message and makes your charts much cleaner and more professional. Here's exactly how to do it. Select the cells you want to format. So I'm going to select the cell here, go to the numbers drop down, select more number formats, go to custom, and then you can start to type in where it says type the format that you want. In this case, I want to turn 90,000 into 90K. I put in a $sign, I put in a 0 followed by a comma, and inside quotes, I'm putting a lowercase k. When I hit the enter sign, it changes that format. I can do the same thing here in terms of the millions. I'm going to turn this one in by doing exactly the same thing. I'm going to go to more number formats. I'm going to choose custom, choose what's in there already, but I'm now going to change this into my $sign. I'm going to put a 0.0 followed by 2 commas, followed by a capital M inside quotes. And this changed this into 9.1 million. Once you've applied the formatting carries through charts automatically. No more ugly long numbers on your visuals. You can also add these formats to your personal lists so they're always available. In terms of some best practices, use K for thousands, M's for millions. Decide on 1 or 2 decimal places based on the context that you're working with. Put the units, thousands, or millions in the chart title or the axis label when possible. Keep the numbers simple so the audience focuses on the insight and not the zeros. This small change your entire financial section look more polished and professional. There you have it, how to use Excel custom number formatting to make large financial numbers clean, simple, and presentation ready. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series, turning numbers into compelling insights. Drop a comment. What's the messiest number formatting issue you've had in a case? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your numbers clean and your presentation sharper.